Y'all, I literally made $1,000 here on YouTube, my first consistent month with only 400 subscribers. I now currently, at the time of this video, have 534 subscribers. But you guys, the month of October, I decided I was going to take my YouTube channel serious, because I have another YouTube channel and that channel has almost 13,000 subscribers, and I was going back and forth with myself of starting a new YouTube channel or with me posting on my old YouTube channel. But my niche was going to be different, because on my old YouTube channel I post more business credit and personal credit advice over there, and on this channel I knew I wanted to talk about starting a business and starting specifically with digital products. So I took a leap of faith and I created this channel back, I think, in May. But I kept going back and forth, I would post on this channel, take it down, and then take it and post it on my other channel. But in October, I told myself I was no longer going to try to go back and forth. I was just going to start from scratch. And if you are a YouTuber, you know it is very hard to get 1,000 subscribers here on this platform and to get your 4,000 watch hours, because on my old channel I was already monetized, and I didn't want to have to go back through starting over and having to get the qualifications again to get monetized. But I told myself, you know what, I'm going to give it to God and I'm going to let him work it out, and it was going to be what it was going to be. So in October I took that and I took my mindset and I said I was going to focus. And you guys, I am in awe, because most people think when you get on YouTube, the only way you can make money on this platform is by being monetized and getting AdSense. And if you are not familiar with YouTube, in order to be monetized, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And that does not seem like it's very difficult, which you have to program your mind to say that it's not going to be difficult, and you have to come on here with a plan, and we're going to talk more about that later on in the video. So make sure you watch to the end of the video so that I can give you guys the details on that as well. But in order for you to make money, everybody just wants to be monetized, and they think when they get on YouTube they need to focus on AdSense, they need to focus on subscribers, they need to focus on watch views and all of these things. But when you come on YouTube, you have to come on YouTube with a plan and with a strategy. And I am so grateful that I did take this leap of faith and that I did bet on myself and believe that I could do it, because I have made $1,000 within 1 month on YouTube without being monetized and with under 400 subscribers at the time. And right now, again, I do have 530 something subscribers. But you guys, I want you to know that you need to get on this platform, or you need to get on any platform, and I want you to know that you need to be consistent and you need to have a plan. YouTube is a good place to start, because with YouTube it's an evergreen platform, meaning when you post on here you're going to continue to get views even years down the line, and that can still cause you to make money, not even from just one stream of income, but you can have multiple streams of income when it comes to being on YouTube. If you start a YouTube channel, you can be monetized and you can get paid from the AdSense that you're gonna get from those ads that's within the videos. You can come on here and you can do as I've done, which is sell digital products, and I'm gonna tell you guys how you can go ahead and get started with that as well. But I want you to know that it is no limits to how you can make money on social media, and I want you to take me for an example, because $1,000 in 1 month of being on YouTube, and you have people who have been on this platform for years and they are still not monetized, or they still haven't figured it out. And I wanted to make this video so that you can know that you can start a YouTube channel and you don't have to have 500 subscribers. You don't even have to have 1,000 subscribers. You don't even have to be monetized in order for you to make money on this platform. But what you do have to have is a plan, and you have to have a strategy. When I started my channel back in May, I was not consistent because I kept going back and forth. But in October, I started literally, you guys, with 20 something subscribers, and within 1 month of being consistent and uploading, I am now at 534 subscribers, and I have still made $1,000 with YouTube, but I am not currently making money from YouTube, the AdSense revenue. I have not tapped into that yet. So you don't have to have a big platform in order for you to sell digital products. So if you're wondering, and this is your first time on my channel, I do sell digital products to help other business owners so that they can start their YouTube channel, start their Instagram account, start their TikTok account. Like literally, the things that I'm selling you guys are things that you can go and use for your own content, or you can take it and you can sell those individual packages as well. So if you're wondering, I do offer different digital product PLR products, where you're able to take the products that I sell, you're going to learn from those products, and you're also going to resell those products, and you keep 100% of the profits. So you're going to pay me, and then you're going to take those products and you're going to use it however you would like. And one of the bundles that I do have, which a lot of people are looking into or have already gotten, is going to be my 1600 reel bundle. And with this gives you a 1600 faceless reel videos for you to use on your channel, for YouTube, for Instagram, TikTok. However you want to use this, you're able to use those videos, and it's faceless. So you don't have to be on the camera, and you don't have to do what I'm doing, which is talk to the camera. If you're someone who's trying to start a business without showing your face, you can still do this. And if you want to use that bundle for YouTube, instead of making long form videos like I make, the best strategy for that is going to be to make short videos. And you're going to take those videos that I offer, which is faceless, and it's very aesthetic and pleasing, and I'll drop the video down below if you want to check that bundle out to see how those videos look. If you are interested in purchasing, before you purchase, you can see how this bundle will look in the type of videos, because they are aesthetic videos, and you can get that for $97, or you can use Afterpay, you can use Affirm, and you can put that on a payment plan where you don't have to pay the full amount right now. You can pay, I think, like $24 to go ahead and get that bundle if you want to get started with this. And you guys, we are almost in a new year. It is time for us to stop making excuses. We have so much going on, and everything is so expensive, and you don't want to go into the new year with only one source of income. If you're someone who's working a 9-to-5 job, you still want to have some type of income coming in from a side hustle or from you starting a business. I personally don't like to just say that this is a side hustle. I say that this is a business, because the possibility in the things that you can do with selling digital products is so unlimited, you guys. Like, no matter what your passion is, no matter what you have a lot of knowledge in, no matter what your expertise is, like, there are so many things that you can sell to people. You don't necessarily have to sell the things that I have, but you have some type of knowledge that you can sell to people, and they will buy it. If you know that you are a good cook and you cook everything from scratch, you can literally post content without showing your face, showing people how to get these recipes, and then you can have a digital product that's going to give them the recipes to more things, like a digital product bundle ebook where you have maybe 20, 100 recipes for them to purchase from you. You can also start within the fitness. If you know that you've worked out all this year, or if you know that next year in 2025 you are about to become a fitness type girl, where you know you're in the gym consistently and you're doing these things to get in shape, you can start a business around that. Like, where you are within your journey, you just have to be one step ahead of someone else in order for them to purchase from you. You don't have to know everything. You don't have to have it all figured out. But what you do have to do is come up with a plan, and you have to execute that plan. You have to come up with a strategy. And when I got on this channel, I knew one thing. I knew that I was going to be talking about digital products and business, and I had a strategy, and I already had my stand store set up, and I already had my digital products that I would be selling, because I got on here with a plan, and I knew that I had to dominate that plan in order for me to execute on this channel. And that is what I did. I started from day one with a strategy, and I made sure that every video that I made, it resorted into me talking about my digital products. It resorted into me giving good valuable information, because another thing when it comes to selling anything, especially digital products, you have to make sure that you're giving valuable information for free, and you're solving a problem for your customer. And the problem that I solve is helping you guys to get started with your digital products by giving you the blueprint, and also giving you the tools that you need to get started so that you can start making sales. I come back on here and I had to add this little clip in. Now I do want you to know that this is not my first time selling digital products. I've been in business, and I am a full-time business owner since 2017, and I have sold different digital products in different niches. I do currently own a hair salon as well. I've sold digital products in the beauty industry. I've sold digital products in the finance industry on my other YouTube channel with personal credit and business credit. But my main place where I was selling the most digital products was on Facebook. But I decided that I did not want to continue to post on Facebook selling digital products, because I don't like to have to continue to post every single day, and my goal is to have financial freedom and to have the flexibility to get up and to live the life that I want to live. So with me using Facebook, that means that I had to get up and I had to consistently post in order to get sales and to drive traffic. Now when I was on Facebook and I was doing my posting for my digital products, I sold different things, as in coaching calls for the one-on-ones with me to help other people start their businesses. I created other digital products for people to sell, and I also sold, like I said, in this business right here, different vendors and how they could start within the hair industry and become full-time. I also sold different things within the finance industry, because I am also a personal credit consultant, and I am board certified, but I no longer take those kind of clients, and I'm not working in that business. But within the few years that I have been in business, I have been able to sell digital products as another income stream for myself within my different businesses that I did operate back then. So I did want to make sure that I drew that in here, that this is not my first time selling digital products, and I am experienced in it, but this was my first time being consistent within those 30 days and me being able to make that $1,000 on this channel that I currently have. So I did start a new stand store, and I did start from scratch with this business here on this channel. So I had to make sure that I told you guys that, so that you know would know that as well. So if you are interested in starting your digital product business and you want to be faceless, go ahead and check out my digital product bundle down below, where you can get that today. And you need to go ahead and just come up with a plan. If you need me to assist you with that, I also offer one-on-one coaching, where I can help you come up with a whole blueprint for your business. I can give you the digital product that you need to start. We can go over the things that you are passionate about. We can talk about the things that you have a lot of information about. Like whatever it is that you need, I can help you come up with a blueprint so that you can get started. But you guys, I do not want you to wait another day. Like, I want you to get serious about this. I want you to write it down, and I want you to dominate 2025, because we are no longer making excuses. No matter what niche you are in, you can check out my website below. I have planners for sale, 200 planners, where you can get that for $30. Like, I have a bundle that's going to discuss manifestation, because we are about to be in another year and everybody is trying to get prepared. Everybody is always buying planners, People are already trying to start their vision boards and different things of that. So I have different bundles that you can check out, and some of the bundles are only like $20, you guys. So invest in yourself. Start your stand store. You can start that and get a free trial for 14 days, and go ahead and get started. And if you have any questions, or if you need me to make any more videos to teach you guys how to get started with your digital products, make sure you let me know down below in the comments. But we are not making any more excuses, and in 2025 I know that the year is going to be great, but I want you to get in a space where you believe in yourself, because I believe in you. If I can do it with under 500 subscribers, currently when I did this it was with only 400 subscribers, you guys can do it too. So make sure you go ahead and tap in, because we have no limits to how much we can make. And I know and I believe with everything in me that we are about to be millionaires. So I pray and I just hope that this video helped you guys, and I will talk to you guys back here on my next video. Bye.